Hey folks, it's Dan from DisneyInfinityCodes.com, and who do I have here with me? You want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, and do you like making unboxing videos?
Yeah.
Yeah, Elizabeth loves to make unboxing videos, so we got some fun presents for Christmas. And what did we get? What's this?
Ariel.
A Little Mermaid?
Mermaid.
Little Mermaid figures? And so we thought we would unbox this. Daddy got this when he was...
This is Ariel.
This is Ariel, yep. And we got this when we were at D23 this year and the Toy Box Summit. We got her some presents, and so we take a look here. You want to read the back? Should we read the back for him?
Yeah.
Go under the sea and into the world of Ariel, the Little Mermaid. Being a curious and mischievous little mermaid, she dreams of experiencing all that is human. Ignoring the advice of her father, King Triton, she ventures into the world above in search of her true love. With the help of friends Flounder, Sebastian, and Scuttle, she triumphs over the evil Ursula and is granted her wish to become the lovely bride of Prince Eric. Awesome. So should we open it up?
Yeah.
All right, you got to tell me who each character is? Who brought this for you?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yep, Mommy and Daddy. For what, Christmas?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at each character, okay? So who is this?
Dog.
Who is this? Is this Prince Eric's puppy?
Yeah, and that's a dog.
And what does he say? What?
Woof woof.
And then who's this? Boy, these things are loud. And who's this?
Ursula.
And what does Ursula say?
I don't know.
You don't know what she says?
Yeah.
She say those poor unfortunate souls.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And who is this?
That's Eric.
Prince Eric? And what does Prince Eric say?
He's got that in his hand.
What does he have in his hand? He has in his hand a telescope,
Yeah.
so he can see far away.
And like little Einstein.
The little Einsteins have a telescope too, you're right. And who's this?
I don't know.
That's King Triton.
Yeah.
He's Ariel's daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Him is Mother Messad.
All right, and then who is this little guy?
Bassin.
Who?
Bassin.
And what does Sebastian say?
Let's see. He's singing a song. Oh, let's see.
Under the sea? How does that song go?
Under a sea, under a sea.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay. Who is this? What's his name?
The circuit.
Is that Flounder?
Yes, Flounder.
And what does Flounder say?
I don't know.
You don't know? Me either. I don't remember what Flounder says. And then finally, who is this?
Another mermaid.
A Little Mermaid. What's her name?
Ariel?
That's Ariel. And what does Ariel sing?
I don't know.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? So there you go. There's all the Little Mermaid characters.
And that one.
Yep, and look. Is that her castle in the background?
Yeah.
There's her beautiful castle. Say thanks for watching.
There's boxing.
Thanks for watching The Little Mermaid.
Thanks for Mermaid.
Do you like these toys?
Yeah.
What's your favorite one?
Ursula.
Ursula's your favorite? Okay, that's okay. Everyone loves Ursula. Say bye-bye.